Hello, everyone, and we're back. We've been away for some time. We've been cooking, busy doing research, busy building because every day we have to eat, and we can't be eating one meal over and over again. We are told we need to balance that. So we have a bot here, and this bot is a compounding digit differs. Compounding means once you make a profit, the profit is added to your initial stake and so on. And if we've decided it's only going to do that 5 times, then you go back to our initial stake, and you can stake any amount. Like my goal here is 50. By the time you are hitting our fifth compounding level, I think I already will have hit my goal for this session. And the goal here is around $50. If it goes higher, fine. But the goal is we give it 5 compounding sessions. We've already done the first. And our goal, as I said, is $50. So once we are at $50, we can stop the bot. And this is a sure bot that will give you the returns you desire. There is no guarantee in this life. There is no guarantee. I can't tell you it will never lose. Things do happen in the market that sometimes cause the losses, but you're going to recover anyway. But now this one, if you have a goal of $50 and you stake $100, you're going to stay in the market the shortest time possible. Something I can also recommend: if your goal was 50 and you've hit 45, you can stop the bot manually. But let's see. We are done. Let's complete our 5 compounding sessions, and that time maybe we shall be at something over this. 1, 2, sorry, 3, 4. So the last compounding session should be at around $70 something. But we've already hit our goal. You can stop your bot there. So guys, this is a bot that you need to get. When you come to my WhatsApp, because I will leave my number on the description part or the comment section, make sure you say you be specific. You want a compounding differs bot, so that I know which one you exactly want, because we have different bots. I have different bots, and let's not confuse. When you just come and say I want a bot, I will not tell which bot you want, but you can see we already have $60. So we can stop our bot there. No losses. Our stake was $100. We have our take profit, which we have to do manually. You choose which amount, because the bot is going to run over and over again with profits all over. But as I said, no guarantees in this life. So once you've hit your target, leave the market. Or alternatively, if you will want this bot, you make sure you ask me to build for you the stop loss and the take profit amounts, so that you can set them if you cannot be disciplined enough to stop when you've made your profit, because people are different. Someone might see it running and then you want to make all the millions in one session. No, it cannot happen. You're going to incur losses that you could have avoided had you stayed in the market the shortest time possible. So have your target based on how much your trading capital is. For example, we can set the goal. We can switch the stake is not just built for 100, and you can see under our variables we have very few stuff. So let's go back to the bot. And see the stake here. We can have it as 10, and it will still do the same. We go back to our bot, so you can still play with 10 or any figure 1, as long as it's over 0.35 being the minimum amount you can stake on synthetic indices. So don't stay in the market for too long. Whichever amount you choose to work with as your stake based on your trading capital, the bot is still going to give you the desired sequence of compounding up to 5 levels. Then it starts over again, because here I didn't want it to run for too long. We had already hit our goal, which was $50, so there was no need of staying in the market for too long. But let's see, And now we are using $10 so that I can explain. Now 10 will give you a dollar for every rand. That's about 10%, 0.99 out of 10. So still, it's compounding. It's getting. You see, we've gotten a loss, and I told you don't stay in the market for too long. So it doesn't have a martingale. It doesn't have what. So guys, once you hit your goal, get out, run. There's a guy who says, if you hit your goal, run. Leave the market, come back some other time, because the market might change, and that change will give you a headache. You see what is happening now. So guys, whenever you hit your goal, leave the market, so that I wanted you to see these losses, so that once you've hit your small goal, you're out of the market safely. We had $60. Staying there long has cost us $20. And for matters of explanation, that's exactly what I wanted you to see. So have your small goal, maybe of $20, so that you have the shortest time possible on the site. Then leave, come back later, do something else. So I wish you all the best as you trade, as you learn, but don't be greedy. Greed is what is costing people their money. You stay on the site for about 1 hour trying to recover, and yet you are losing until you lose everything you had created. The positives you had made all turn to negative. You leave the market with zero trading capital just because of wanting to make a lot. Make a few coins, leave, come back later, do the same over and over. You're going to make it big time. And with that, I wish you all the best. Let's keep sharing this information. Let's keep sharing the ideas, so that everyone can make something out of this technology we have here, that you can just trade from your house. You don't have to do networking. You don't have to do referrals. Just get a nice bot like this one here. Make your $50, make your 30, 20, 10, whatever amount you choose. Even if we had $1 as your stake, the bot will still run, depending on how much you have. So to avoid unnecessary losses, I repeat for the last time, don't stay in the market for too long. Thank you, and I wish you all the best. In case of anything, I'll leave my number in the comment section. Contact me via WhatsApp, via call, so that we can see how to help each other. But don't just come and say, I want a bot, I want a trading bot. No, be specific. Which bot do you want? Because they are different. So with that, I wish you a happy moment, happy trading moment, and bye for now.